Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So right here next to me I have a small product photography studio by the company Bystone. So in this video I'm going to be taking a closer look, and also we're going to take a closer look at what's included, and then at the end I'm going to share my thoughts. So far I have been very impressed, and that's why I'm taking the time to make this video. So if you guys want to learn a little bit more about this product, hey, don't change the channel and stay here with me. Alright guys, so before moving on, just wanted to let you know that I will be recording the audio of this video with this wireless microphone by the company Maono. This is the model Wave T5. Now what makes this wireless microphone different than the previous ones that I've been using here for my channel is that it uses a magnet to attach to your clothes, which is really cool. So depending on the clothes that you're using, there's the clips most of the time don't fit. This one you don't have to worry about that. You can basically attach the microphone just using a magnet like I'm using it right now for this video. So if you guys are interested in this product, as always in the description I'm going to leave a link at no additional cost to you. You guys can use this link and it helps me out a little bit here on the channel, so I greatly appreciate it. And also just wanted to let you know that if you are enjoying this video, if you can do me a favor, if you can hit that like button, it helps me a lot. And also if you like the content I'm producing, hey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All right guys, so now without further ado, let's go ahead and go back to our mini photography studio. All right guys, so we're back, and now I wanted to show you two accessories that are included with this photography kit that I really love, and that is the shadow boards. It includes two of these. One of them is this one, which has the more of a window shape, and then there's another one that has the blind shape. So what I really like about this is it makes your photography more interesting, and it also gives you the illusion that you have a window or some sort of light coming through the windows that makes your product more interesting. So the way it works is that it comes with these two stands. In this case we're going to be using the windows first, and I wanted to show you the cool patterns that is created by using this shadow board, and here we go. All right, so look at that already. So when you crop this and you take your picture, this basically will give you the illusion that you're taking your photography next to a window, which is really nice. The second one again is the blind. Let's go ahead and test that one as well. And here is the blind, the one that gives you the illusion that you have blinds. And let's go ahead and test this one out. Look at that. That's pretty cool, right? So these are also known as Q colorists, also as cookies. And in the film industry, these are used a lot to create the illusions that you have a tree next to your subject, or maybe a window. Photographers use these a lot now in the form of gobo, if I'm pronouncing that right. So I think this is really awesome because you can create different patterns, and not only that, you can even create your own, which is really nice. And the fact that it includes the stands, you can buy a similar board like this and then cut different patterns, and you can create different shadows on your subject, which is really cool. So now really quick, I wanted to show you different setups that you can do with different products, so you can see the possibilities of this setup. Okay. Alright guys, so if you were to order this photography backdrop kit, it will include everything that you see here. So when you order this, it will come in this box, and also inside the box you will also find a carrying case, so you can put all your backdrops together, everything together, which is really nice. And you will find 10 of these backdrops, but they're front and back, so they have different colors and different patterns. Hopefully I'll be able to hold this so you guys can see the different options available. So as you can see, and here is the other side. And also included you will find this foldable board. This is in the inside is white color, and on the outside is black. The way you put it together is with these two clear brackets, and to hold the backdrop it includes these clips. And also my favorite is obviously it includes the two shadow board. You have the window patterns, and then you have the blinds. The cool thing about it is that they include the stands to make it very, very convenient. So as you can see, this is really nice because it's portable. You can take it with you anywhere. You can take your pictures in your living room. You can take your pictures outdoors, and you can create different variation depending on what you are looking for, or if you want to create a contrast between your product. All right, so to whom I recommend this small product photography backdrop? I recommend this to anybody that likes to take photography of small products. So you don't have to be professional photographer to get this mini studio. So if you like to take pictures of jewelry, small product, toys, action figures, this is excellent. If you sell on eBay or you sell in different platforms, this is excellent because you can even do it with your cell phone. Actually, I'm making a tutorial after this one where I'm going to show you how to photograph with your phone professionally, and also with a digital SLR or a mirrorless camera. The measurements is 16.5 by 12 inches. So anything bigger than that obviously it's not going to fit here. Not only that, but when you have small products, you have more options to play with the depth. You can move your product a little bit farther from your background or a little closer. So I will be showing you in the tutorial some techniques to take some amazing pictures using this backdrop. All right guys, so as you can see, this is a very versatile photography backdrop kit that I highly recommend, especially for the price $25. Like I mentioned before, if you guys are interested, I will leave the link in the description. If you use that link and no additional cost to you, it helps me out a little bit here on the channel and it's greatly appreciated. So next video, which it'll be up here available soon, I will be giving you a tutorial and show you how to photograph small products using this studio. So I'll be using a digital SLR camera and also a cell phone to show you how to take the best photography. So without further ado guys, I just want to say thank you for your support, and I will see you guys next time. Take care guys. Bye.